This is Hazard, and today we're going to do speedrun of CSES problem set. I don't really know how many problems we're going to do, but this is going to be speedrun from zero task. Last time it was CSES problem set part 1. It is going to be part 2 where I'm going to do speedrun. This speedrun is going to start from wired algorithm. Here we are going to repeat the task that would be type of upstall, and that's going to be the best thing that we could do. So I think so. I will start from while algorithm, going for second search and one tap from DP and a lot to do. So I don't think so to waste time and to start right now. So we have while algorithm type of from there, then starting dynamic programming graph algorithm, print corner, three algorithms, mathematics, string algorithms, geometry, advanced techniques, sliding window problems, interactive problems, bitwise operations, construction problems, advanced graph problems, counting problems, additional problems one, additional problems two, and that is all. Uh, that's all that we have, and let's also start from word algorithm. And I think so we mostly can arrive right there and also right there. As you can see, I mentioned there are 20,000 number of solvers. Um, yeah, also there. Okay, let's start. I have prepared my workspace and actually we know this task. Holy crap. Yeah. It shows that I was filming this for 10 minutes. But okay, let's move on next task. I don't know why, but my program was type of doing some interesting outputs, but one could say, is it all normal? That's my template. Yeah. So the next thing I think we have to do task missing number. Okay, that's done with repetition. Let's go. That's good. So, guideline for increasing the rate. The simple event for 18 minutes, and we have sold three packs. Let's try and take it hard back. Okay. Start how do I know? I need to make it increase yet. See, like in around, we want to modify the rest is that it's increasing. So if it's, I want it to be increasing, so simply, I don't know how. So the main idea could be just mindset, like three, uh, can, wait, if I do one, yep, then that's on four, plus four and plus one. Yeah, that's good. I think so I will take an simple around, done, right? No, straight input. If you take an input, I would just to add, um, I think so. It could, like, if either a y is greater than a y plus one, and um, in time plus a plus one minus a y, and then do a y over a y, and then, okay, so one minus one. Oh, because it's less than a y plus than a y, so what if I do minus times? Yeah, search. Let's submit this code. Okay, let's go for permutations. Um, if I print even, then odd, so that's the best solution. And logically, it's impossible to print a right permutation for number 2, for number 3, or for number 1. And if we go deeper, for example, for array, if I analyze this array, it would be better. For, first of all, I need to print um, odd, like 1, 3, and then odd numbers. Oh no, wait a minute. That's not done well. Because if I print 1, 3, and then 2, 4, that's not good. And also 1, 3, 4, 2. The difference between 3 and 4, or 3 and 2, is not really good. So I think so it would be better if we give even. Um, 2, 4, 1, 3. Yeah. Okay, so first we print even, then second we print odd. For example, 5. Uh, 2, 4, 1, 3, 5. For example, if I take 6, 1, no, 2, 4, 6, then 1, 3, 5. Yeah. Okay. So also, what about no solution? Practice match, teach. Any clear? Okay, so that's the idea. I just want to learn where are also no solution. Uh, that's all good. So it'll take only 30. If I take, for example, 11, on, then this, and then this, L and C and east and east. That's straight, C, what will it be? Um, okay, no solution, move beyond. And though I then return, so next I think it's better to do this. If it's not, then we are going to do this. For allow equal to, and e is less than n, e plus plus, and then c out e, and e plus 2, c out e, and then like this. And so I cycle 1, and then two, 4, 6. Wait a minute. Uh, yeah, that's incredible. Let's try check 3. No solution. No solution. And 1 is also no solution. I'm not sure that I gave all no solutions. But again, let's submit our code. No. And what it should be, because that's let me check. Where's 11? Right here. Okay. Almost. Yeah, that's pretty good. Then the simple thing that we could do is just um just to submit it again. It's strange. But astonishing shows that one, it gives no solution. So um, concept of the return, let's submit our code again. Okay, so this video is going already for 30 minutes, and now we go for number zero. I think that we will need a tutorial for this task because this task is just timeless. I don't really know how to solve this task. So as you can see, the sequence is going, okay, it says us to find the Y and H. So mainly Y and J position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 12, 21, and it goes. I couldn't find instance. Like, it goes this, and then it goes down, and then again it repeats. If I did like this, I go right here, this, and then this, typo with this, and then uh, now then send. So 2 and 3, 1 and 1, 1 and 4, 4, 3. Also screenshot this. So 2 and 3. So 2 and 3. 3 and 8. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, 8. Then we go 1 and 1 is of course the 1. Then 4 and 2. Each is uh, 4 and 2. But it's 15. There is no logic and nothing that I could feel. Okay, what if we take only squares? 1 and 1 is 1, 2 is 3, then 2 and 3 is 7, and then and we go for 4 and 4 is 13, then 1 and 1 is 1. So 10 and 2, if 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, but we get 3. Then 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So there's minus 0, minus 1, minus 2. I would understand there's need to be minus 3. So, oh yeah, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, and there's 4. 5 multiplied, yeah. So 25 minus 21 is 4. So how to understand is each time uh, the it goes like this. So okay. For example, I have times 3. Um, times 2 is 3. Times 3 is 7. No, what is nothing? Okay. So, for example, times 3, yeah, and once I need to get up, like if it's right there is 3, and if I want to go for 2, so logically, 7 uh, plus 1, that's 8. Okay, let's find in this one, 4 and 2. So, uh, 4 and 4 is 21, and then 2 and 2 is 3. But logically, 4 and 4. Okay, 4 and 4 is going to be 21. No, it's 13. Okay, 4 and 4 is 13, 2 and 2 is 3. So, it's 15. So, um, right here, it means plus 2 for getting 15. If I'm there, and if I change this 4 and 4, if it's phone, if it's 12, then I need to go like this. So to the left, 2 times to the left, yeah. So I go 2 times to the left, and that makes 15. So how they see we use maximum, and then 4 and 4, and firstly we need to get this coordination by maximum value. After finding it, we need to analyze the row or the column. So what's wrong at the field? So okay, I will say a lot of coordination right here, and then I will say, well, it's really good to use. So let's make tons of test case. That's all that I could say. Okay. Okay. So for example, I gave okay. For example, if I give 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So logically, if I take maximum 5 and 5, okay, so that's 21, we know. But okay, logically we move by this. Um, okay, step by step, I think I will write. First, take maximum. The second, we need to do, for example, some variable named b that will equal to the maximum multiply maximum. So that's 5 multiplied 5. Um, and then, uh, the, to subtract, uh, maximum minus 1. So B, equals to the, um, maximum minus 1. So E, we get 21. So here, how we find the main position, type of 5 and 5, and then we analyze about other number named 3. So mm, from this position, we try to find what number has highest value, so that's 3. And that column, especially we need to come here coordination. Let's name this for C2, and that's going to be C1. Okay, so the distance is column. So we get 3 times 2 5. 5 to take action. And normally, if I go up, so it means, what did it happen? So that's 5 and 5, 3 and 5. It goes 23. Okay, so B equals to the, for example, that's x1 under 20, and x2 y2. So x2, no, B, okay, equals to the B plus x2 minus x1, and here we get 23. So, um, what do I know is that if we go column up, so also the number is going to be more, but not. For example, no, I talk about the corner. Okay, so for example, now if I take 5 times 3, um, 5, 3, firstly, let's name this x1, then x1 and c1. So first we find maximum, second it's 25, then third it's 21, then fourth, uh, so it's 5 and 5, y1, y2, okay, y1 comes to y2, mainly 3 to 5, so it means that I need to go to the right, and now I'm done. Or no, I need to go to left. 5, 5 minus 3 is 2, and we have 21, and if I get 21 minus 2, then I get 19, so that, oh, that I see. Yeah, I understood how to solve this test. Um, so okay, what do we know? If the difference is about column, but we, okay, for example, we go to row, and row is less than, so we go for minus. And what about columns? If at columns the column is less than uh, x2, so we will do plus, just like this. So it's third column and that's sixth column, and that's third row. Also, there could be this and this, and lastly, let's also write type of coordinate some point. No, no, no. Uh, okay, so column up, it means plus. So column turn column down is going to be minus. Column is less than, so that's minus. And there's going to be plus. So, and if this is going to be x1 is less than x2, then we go right here. So x1 is greater than x2. E minus, okay. And when minus is going to be happen, um, so let me, mm, equals 1, then that's equal to, if equals 1 is less than equal to, equal to, 2 minus. Okay, so and right here, how to understand, it's going to be equal, um, equal 1 is greater than equal 2, and type of this. My brain is just flowing, I don't know what the hell is going on, but that's pretty interesting. Okay, yeah, I got the idea. I got the cool idea how to solve this. The only thing I want is to don't implement this that quickly. It will be really hard to implement, but I think it's possible. So the stream is going for 47 minutes. And also, I think so I will come back soon and I will need to block my screen. I came back, so this one's only going for 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so let's start to implement this task. L and N, C and N. Okay, so let's go step by step. I find maximum. Well, each equal to the maximum. mm, Okay, now. Then I do each. Okay, it's like square. Each then I do x minus max. Okay, x minus mm, minus one. Uh, then we do comparing. That's the most hard thing to do. Um, the A. Okay, let's name this L8. Okay, L8 equals each and B equals each. After um after finding A and B, we need to compare. If A is not equal and if B is not equal to M, so there are two cases. And now we go right there. So that's X1 and X2 and that's Y1 and Y2. Um, okay, if it's better, if X1 is less than X2, if A is less than N, okay, and if um, A is greater than N, what choice? So, okay, and the same right here, if B is less than N, so if Y2 is less than N, mm, let's do this. That's X2 less than, yeah, less than X1. Okay, we go for each set. X2 is less than X minus, X2 is less, yeah, here, I do minus. Wait, minus, I do minus X1 minus X2, so that's minus A minus n. Yeah, it is. Mhm. So x minus a minus n. I think a minus a. That's good. Um, then we go right here. It's going to be plus x2 minus x1. Uh-huh. X plus a minus n. I'll do I understand. Yeah. Then we go for y. Um, the y2 is less than. So plus x plus b, no, n minus b, n minus b, so then there's minus x minus y1 is, oh, y2, so b minus n. Then now we can, it's, well, also else, is equal to n, and b equal to n. So please, it's, mm, okay. We get a clear problem. 8 is good, 1 is good, and what the hell is 1 doing right here? Um, okay, I think let's do like that. Okay, now we get the only difference at 11 and 15. The difference, oh, it's next to 4. That's solid. So, okay, I take 4 and 4, yeah? 4 and 4 is 13. Okay, yeah, and difference is about row. Yeah, so 4 and 4, 15. And mainly, so it's y1. Y1 is less than y2. Y1 is less than b. Yeah. Okay, and I need to do plus. Wait a minute. Yeah, there's plus and there's minus. Yeah, let's submit. The mistakes are certainly right there. I misread this. What the hell? Okay. So it's legal right here, and I need to debug this page, this type of zone. Okay, so okay, what we got? Y1 is less than Y2. That's plus, let's put that minus. Also do X1. X1 is less than X2, uh, so we did plus, it was points, no, we did minus. So if, no, we did plus. If it's 21 and X1 is less than X2, so I did plus, let's say there's minus. And what the hell? Where's the difference? Um, okay, there. Y1 is less than Y2. Oh, whoa, whoa. Wait a minute. Y2 is greater than X1. So if Y2 is greater than X1, I did 5 and 5 is 21. So 3 is goes less, and I did Y1. And the mistakes right here. Okay. Um, what about 4 and 2? 4 and the 4 and 4 is 13. No, what the hell? Okay. Uh, 4 and 2 is 13. No, no, yeah, 4 and 4 is 13. And then it's right here. So I go to, so I do, okay. Whenever there was minus and whenever there was plus, now I really don't know what to do because that's the level that we are stuck. So it's going for 1 hour. That's I don't really want to do because so we need to know where we need to put plus and where we need to put minus. So that's no. That's plus minus there's plus there's minus there's plus and there's minus. So you know it goes minus plus minus minus. What the hell? So the centers are right there. minus plus minus plus minus. Okay. Uh, we have understand, so we will have a lot of big problems with road. Okay, so we could see that we have one index now. Then oh wait a minute. Oh, okay. If we go one index, so vertically it's odd, it's even, odd, even, odd. Also, you could see by the starting number, odd, that one is even, yeah. Okay, and it goes to this sequence, and that's column. So by this column, we could understand it is less than or more than. Okay, so we understood how to work this road. And now let's analyze columns. Uh, already that this is, oh wait a minute. Oh, when we work with rows, we need to not, we need to take attention for column. And when we work with column, we need to take attention for row. So that's E1, that's all, that's E1 and all. Uh, so strand 5, 5 is odd, 25, maximum 25, so we go right here, 21, 21, so 5 minus 2, so, that's going to be, we go off, and that's minus 3. Now I would like to put back the 3 and 4. Okay, let's analyze. Like now it's 13, and 1 and 4. So we need to go up for 1. That's 12. Let's analyze this. 3 and 4. Man, like there's no problem with that's when each one is larger than other one. We get problem. That's when each one is less than other one. How, okay, so if each side here, each one is less than other one. Uh, but that goes right there. For example, that one is 3 and 4. Or no, that's 4 and 4, and that's 5 and 4. But there goes plus, as you could see, there's minus, also minus 7, like that's same. So there could be maximum each column, and maximum it is row. So I think so when it is column, it's way good. because it's column. But when it's zero, we could get problem like 25 and I go wait a minute, 25 um, only that 565652. No, there are the 5 multiplied 5 and then 3, so it's down, and here's 23. Yeah, but when I just turn 5, 5 multiplied 5 is 25, so 3 is column. So I need to go to the third, like this. Wait a minute. That's 1 and 5. So 25 is, okay, 5, column 5. Oh no, that's not the best thing that you could try and stuff. Um, uh, I don't really what to say right now. We're into, so I need, when it comes to rows, when maximum is row, I think I will need to take odd, even for certain. Okay, odd, even. And so when it comes about column, no, that's column, but that's row. So when it comes to columns, we need to look up for rows. So it means about each one and each two. Each one is odd, so that's mine. So each type of nested loop. I'm just quickly done by this test because there are no logic. What is I I want to find the same logic or even right there, but I couldn't. I want to connect them, but that's impossible. So 5 and 3. 5 moves to past 5 is 25 and we go to 21. So 5 is odd and that's right there. And yeah, so it's odd and because of when it's odd we need to do minus. No, yeah, minus. Oh, okay. What the hell is happening? Okay, and mainly because of when it's odd, we every time go to the minus when it comes about maximum. Yeah, so I think so. It's maximum, uh, like they're connected. Even when it comes about each one and each two. if math for me is odd, then that's going to be minus. If it's even, that's going to be plus. And why my whiteboard couldn't be open? Yeah, yeah. So as we could know, with odd is plus. Okay, well let me analyze this. So 5 is odd, it comes right here, and we need to go up for 3. So that's plus. Okay, first thing that I know, odd is plus. Um, okay, and there's also odd. So that's no, that was, yeah, that was zero and that was calm. So 5 and 5 equal to 0.1 again. And because of it is odd, uh, we do minus. Yeah, okay, and also odd. That's when each one is less than each great one. Each one is greater than each great one. Now we go the to the four and like even sides. What the hell is this? 4 and 2. That's great for deer when it's 4 and 2. So it's 13. And as you know, it's even. And by my mind, it will go minus. Let's check because it's even. And no, if at all, so that's going to be plus 13. Yeah, that's plus. Even plus, it's when each one is greater equal to 1 and odd. Okay, yeah, so that's a second point that will help us. I think I will connect this all hands to one idea. Okay, refresh. So we'll need to update our zone type of this. Uh, I need this third point for myself. Um, let's clear this. Um, and the main problem, so it gives me this, and that gives me something this. So, okay, how do I see each two and each one is useful just for getting difference? And that's all. And mainly, if I want to know plus minus, uh, so, okay, let's clear all this. Um, no, I don't understand anything because there's three odds and three of this. Why? That's why, man. Okay, so I will do this. So that's going to be, for example, 2 and 3. Okay, let's analyze 2 and 3. So strength is 7. Yeah, so that makes 7. And yeah, okay, it makes 7. So multiply, I go to the left. No, that's odd one. Yeah. So the maximum is odd. Um, and I get 6. Yeah. Okay. There's going to be minus. Then if I do 4, right here. And for it's going to be 13, and I need 2 times go right here. So if I don't miss, it will go plus, and that's 15. Let's go. So I catch the logic. Okay. So that's one maximum. And that's symbol, like, I don't know what to say else. Operation and condition. Now to resolve this two. Let's go for um the maximum even 4 and 2. Okay, so 0.416, then 13, and still mainly go to the left, and that's even. I think that that's going to be plus, That's already not plus, that's minus. Let me think about again deeper. 13 and 13. And there I made a big mistake. I took 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is 13. But, oh, that's column. I missed. So, because of each column, it needs to go with like 13 on there, minus. And what's the difference between even and odd? So, okay, there needs to be plus and plus. Like 4 and 2, yeah, that's 15. And even if I take odd one, for example, 5 and 3, it's there, yeah. No, it's got minus. 5 and 5 is 21. By row, it needs to go to the left, and that's 19. So that's minus. I will need to check this one again. So, for example, 3 maximum needs to be odd. 3 and 10, no, 3 and 5. Also, it's there, yeah. Sequence plus, how do I remember? 5 and 5 is, that's 23, and 5 and 1 is 21, yeah. That's 5. Okay, I think so. To debug it for fast, for example, okay, so what cases I will check, oh, that means, also I don't need this, let's remove this, uh, for fast, okay, so 5 and 3 is better for there, here is better C and 5, there is better 4 and 2, and there's better 2 and 4, let's check again, maximum is even, and that's less than, maximum is odd and that's less than, maximum is even and that's greater, maximum is odd and that's greater, okay, and I need to check operations that go, okay, so 13, 13, that's start position, back and forth 21, so, okay, there I wrote minus, so, yeah, 5 and 3, yeah, that's minus, also plus, yeah, 19, and great. And we go for example this. I wrote plus and plus it was 20 logically, yeah, good. And then we have 13 and 13. Wait. So on, okay, I need to go for the left. No, I need to go down. No, I need to go up because, for example, if there's 4 and 4, um, so yeah, let me just know if 13 and 2 and 4 is 11. Yeah, and the last one point for 13, and then I need to go to the left. There's going to be 15. Let's go. Okay. Finally, we know when we need to do minus and when plus and when, yeah. So that's pretty hard. Okay, So now I will be needed. What we will do minus angle, what we will do plus. So okay, we could delete this. So okay, we got x2 and I think so. Uh, changing them to x1 and x2 would be better. X1 and x1. X1 and x1. So yeah, mainly I don't know I was doing some operations this maximum and okay. Yeah, that's good. So let me just do also like this. Yeah. Um, and that would be better if I do like this. Okay, so we did this, and now I will be needed to. It's even, and if one is less than only time, operation equal to the plus. or minus, no minus. Uh, let's make hopefully then all. Yeah. So now we need to find the defaults. So oh yeah, because we need H2 and Y2. I think that we will use it. But how to use them, that's the point. Um, Actually, there was some sound at my headphones. There's my microphone. So let's have a change. Let me block my screen. That's the best. Now we're filming for a simple microphone of my laptop. Yeah. So number spiral.
That's freakily hard because my code is just piece of hardware. So that's second coordinate. That's operations that we're going to do, and that's what the hell is this variable? So we got the center where are 21, 13, 7. So okay, this something will save this. Because of I'm going to give it value. That's oh crap. No. So yeah, that would be better if I did like this. This says something like where I'm done. Firstly, I will try to treat this one and also this one. Um, then yeah, and there also need to be 13. Oh no, 15. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm really tired, just freakily tired of solving this task. I'm glad that it showed me accepted. I don't think so. Its solution it's really that much big. So if we take this total starting from 23 ending by 75, so that's 42 or 52, 75. No, that's 52. Um, that's really just something really hard. And the next task is mainly the series was going for 1 hour and 52 minutes. Took nights. Holy crap! That's also one of hard tasks. Uh, your task is to count 4K 1, 2. First, I would like to. What's the solution of this task? Like, is there any other solution? Mm-hmm. Let me see the code firstly. If y is greater than x, then answer is y more. Okay. That's that's the same type of yeah, I have this type of thing. No, but mainly no if oh okay. Automatically. So add check poverty of y to determine if numbers are in increasing or decreasing. Yeah. Add x the area, yeah, in the area of what? Yeah, if it's odd, then that's pretty strange because by poverty, um, there are a lot of solutions. Bro, what the hell is this? I couldn't understand what's the point. The message that I did is just so hard, but that was interesting to solve. So mainly we have solved 6 problems, and that was pretty hard. Oh, by number of solvers we have bit strings. Okay, that's power 2, but we need to make a power function. Um, yeah, and mainly that's all that we did for today. It's only going for 2 hours. I'm really tired. If you watch this video, for these moments. Thank you very much. So goodbye. See you later.